So the other thing here now is we have business category. So for business category, we have to do a little research to know which is the best business category. Okay, so for example, home repair, Toronto. You want to search your own keyword and you want to actually see what Google that, and look, Toronto home repairs and the domain matches the business name. So this person who's ranking #1 for this term is doing the exact strategy. They have the business name they wanted and the exact match domain. And I'm going to guarantee when I click it, their logo is going to be that name. Toronto home repairs is the name. Okay. This is what competitors are doing and this is what's working. So for this case, I would say that the more specific of the restaurant, meaning you want to narrow down. If you are a South American restaurant, use that category. If you are a steakhouse, use steakhouse over just restaurant. So the website that they have on the Instagram should match the website on the Google Maps, and it'll help Google build some trust on your listing. And at the same time, it'll add this to the web results, which should help the listing and help Google provide more value. So that's what they want to do. They want to show extra web results. So if you can have your social media and have it pop up here, that's only going to help your business listing. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more, you can find the full course on udemy.com. The link in the description.